Good morning, this is Around the House with Kay and Tom. This morning I'm just going to fix a real quick apple crisp. Okay, I have now cut up 3 apples. I'm going to spray my 8x8 dish. We need 2 tablespoons full sugar. There's 1. There's 2. You need 1.5 teaspoons full of lemon juice. And what this does, this keeps your apples from turning darker. 1 teaspoonful of cinnamon, of ground cinnamon. Okay, let's just get all this mixed up real good. And we just need to, after we get them all stirred up and mixed, just put them in your baking dish. This is really a quick recipe. We're just going to set that right aside just for a second. Not long, just for a second. We need a cup of brown sugar. There's 1 cup of brown sugar. We need 3/4 cup of just all-purpose flour. Three-fourths cup of Quaker oats. And we need 1/2 cup of unsalted butter cut up into little chunks or pieces. Okay, I have my butter, my oats, my flour, my brown sugar. I have a thing that you actually cut up butter with, but I could not find it this morning to save my life, so we're just going to do this right quick. It serves the same purpose. They even say you can use 2 forks and mash it together, just so you get it chopped up together. And I guarantee you, just as soon as I get this done, I'll open a drawer and there it'll be right there in front of me that I should have seen. You need your oven set at 350, and I'm just going to cook this in the Ninja oven today because it is hot down here and that just doesn't put out a lot of heat. I have started my Ninja. I'm just preheating it a little bit. In the meantime, I'm just going to stir this up again real good. And we're just going to put on the spread on top of our apples. Sort of pat it down a little bit, get the apples up under the mixture. Okay, my Ninja is telling me that it is now heated up to 350. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this in my Ninja cooker and we're going to cook it. Check it out. Okay, I have now cooked it for, it says 25 minutes, so I'm going to put it back in there again and cook it for like maybe 15 more minutes. Smells good. Well, I've just got this out of the oven, and let's just see what it looks like when you cut into it. Well, the apples are definitely done. And again, this is Around the House with Kay and Tom. Okay, this is a little crunchy. Has a very good flavor. And I think I'm going to put a little Cool Whip on top of mine since I do not have any vanilla ice cream. Now, I bet that flavors it right on up. Need some vanilla ice cream or Cool Whip. And again, this is Around the House with Kay and Tom. Come back to see me, offer me your comments, and have a fantastic day.